Hey, welcome to Blue Moon Estate Sales. We have a lovely sale lined up for you this weekend, which is in the Cat Mountain area off of Mount Bonnell Road. We'll be open Saturday, February 26th from 9 to 3 and Sunday the 27th from 12 to 3. I want to show you guys around. We've started inside the house today, so we've just come in the front door. We're going to walk into the living room. And in this front area, we have several tables full of these really pretty antique inkwells. The homeowner collected inkwells and fountain pens over a lifetime, and it's just a beautiful collection of all kinds of unique pieces and colors and materials. And here's a whole other table full of them. And then here we'll have jewelry, and we have some sterling silver pieces. I don't know if you showed that art. Okay. And then here in the, we're just going to do the master bedroom real fast. Show you guys around in here. So this way we have a bathroom that has two closets in it, lots of clothes, ladies' clothing, mostly sizes like medium, large, a few extra large. Shoes are size 8. Vintage clothing, a wide variety of colors and fabrics. A lot of neat things. This is a cool little writing desk. This thing folds down, probably an antique. And then in the bedroom here, we have additional clothing on racks and vintage Henredin blonde bedside furniture. Pretty cane headboard here. And a long table full of small things, like we have some food dogs, some brass pieces, some lions. Looks like these might be antique dominoes and other bits and bobs. And then nice little Shea lounge. And throughout this home, you're going to find a lot of wall art, so be sure and check out our photos to see the wall art in this home. Like here's a piece that's G. Harvey, lots of G. Harvey. If you're a G. Harvey fan, you can come to this sale. More wall art here above the mantle. And then we have a wet bar with, these are Waterford, and there's other crystal throughout. And then this is a table full of really pretty small things, like this is a little chest. The latches are broken that hook it together, the hinges, I mean, but it's like little drawers you could put stuff in, but just some pretty small things here. A little bit of brass there. And then I'm just going to barely open the door. It's freezing cold, but you guys can take a peek outside. It's just kind of a little bit more garagey kind of stuff, but also a little bit of patio furniture and some planters. Okay. And then we're going to make our way to the dining room. We have this nice Bose radio that works. We're listening to it right now. This is called a zither. Cool little instrument there. And then we'll, in the dining room, we have this nice table and chairs. And then a whole bunch of dishes and glassware, silver plate, and more pretty wall art. This is the way to the kitchen. This is an old KitchenAid fridge, 1995, probably good for a garage. And then full kitchen with dishes and glassware, utensils, more wall art. These are some pretty game tables, like this folds up into a like an envelope fold to make a smaller table. It's really pretty. And then the LG washer and dryer are for sale, front loading. More kitchen stuff here. And there's no garage in this home. So now we're going to go downstairs, and as we do, I'll show you, this is a pretty entry table. This is like a secretary desk. It's kind of a cross between a secretary desk and a china cabinet. It's got some storage there. Some other pretty pieces, and then this is a nice signed print. And we'll make our way downstairs where we have more art. Just quickly, in this closet, the whole thing is lined with plastic shelving. The plastic shelves will be for sale. And then in here we have a nice collection of wall art. And then we'll continue to make our way around, and you'll find your usual estate sale items throughout, where we have table linens and additional clothing, some shelving, more artwork. This is a massage chair. Haven't tried it out yet. And then here we have some sewing stuff, a Spartan sewing machine, crafty things, some holiday items, more linens. And that does it for our tour. We will see you this weekend.